Well, it looks like the weather changed for day 2 of Import Nationals. I'm not upset about it. We're supposed to hold off till about 3 p.m. or so. Gives us enough time, you know, display what we got, see some people, get some more people in, see how it goes for the day. So our booth today looks absolutely insane. We set to pull out some more stuff today. We actually have the whole R34 front end set up, along with our R32 quarter, the Z-Tune skirts, and we pulled out our brand new R32 N1 bumper. First time out of the box.
Oh boy. She is pretty.
Oh my God. Woo-hoo. We got the rarities here today. Got some more GTR stuff. This is pretty much our just our R chassis table. Get all that set up with all of our merch on display here. Hopefully the weather holds off and it doesn't end up being complete rain out, because it just ruined the entire day. But we already got a lot of people starting to show up already, so looking forward to see what's gonna happen today. And we got Nick's S13 again today. Now compared to yesterday, there's a lot more cars. A lot better turnout than we had yesterday. And the guys over here from Z-Con hanging out. What I like about Carlisle is you get a little bit of old, a little bit of new. You see a little bit of everything here. There are so many Z's out here today. Some more Sylvias, same ones as yesterday. A couple extra ones. A lot more Z's. So we got a Sentra Nismo here. We had this LS spot one here yesterday. Got an LS swapped 31. All right, now this is interesting. They managed to squeeze an RB into this thing. I don't know how the hell you managed to squeeze an RB in here.
Better than that VG, I'll say that.
We even got ourselves an R33 chilling out over here today.
I don't think I've ever actually seen dude, I've read it.
That was a gorgeous 35.
Start taking a picture and I was like, oh man, that's the funniest thing, right?
Some more R chassis stuff. Somebody actually brought an R32 out. Not too sure how I feel about this weather today. It's looking a little and that looks like some rain right there. Not looking forward to this at all. And as you can see, we don't have nearly as much stuff as we started out with. This has been an amazing show. Today's turnout has been absolutely incredible. We had a lot of really nice people stop by, made a lot of great friends. It's starting to rain a little bit, but didn't want to miss the Z-Car parade. do you think we did this weekend?
Oh, we did wonderful.
Yeah, you think we had a good
Great
weekend?
turnout. Great turnout. Weather held off.
It was a really nice weekend, for sure.
Good crowd, good crowd.
Yeah, we had a blast here at Carlisle. Can't wait to come back next year. Hope we have some more goodies to show off to everybody and bring a bigger crowd. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget to check out THN Parts for all your S chassis, Z chassis, and R chassis JDM parts. Thanks.